Start inspection. Number of wagons, 10. Confirm. Open camera. Take photo. Open anomaly. Open camera. Take photo. Enter code 322. Call support. I'm performing an inspection on a train and there's a strong smell coming from the third wagon.
Show me the wagon number and the labels of dangerous goods. It's ethyl acrylate, a class 3 flammable liquid. The UN number is 1917. See. Let me check the safety distance. To be safe, stay upwind, 14 meters from the wagon. I'm sharing with you the safety data sheet. Toxicological information is in section 11.
Close inspection.
Blitz ein. Rail Cargo Anwendung starten. Inspektion starten. Blitz aus.